Hey, to pair wireless mouse with your Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, first of all, on your Samsung, you will have to actually go into the Bluetooth, open it, and simply turn it on. Next, on your mouse, you will have to turn it on. So in my case, I will have to just turn the switcher on, and I have to click and hold this Bluetooth button for a few seconds until my indicators right here starts blinking slowly red, like this. So as you can see from here, I can find my Rapu mouse. I can just click on this name. And now, as you can see, I am connected. There we go. As you can see right now, it's not working properly because I have to put it on a different surface. So for example, right here, take a look. Now I can just go back from this one. There we go. And as you can see right now, everything is fine and I'm connected with my mouse and with my Samsung Galaxy S24. And that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.